Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is hopefully the fast way to install a new server on Cursor IDE. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm going to install chromedev tools, add to Cursor, open Cursor in a moment. It should work. Tools and MCP. Okay, so that's where this is hiding. What is this, a Klein tool? Cursor settings. Okay, so under cursor settings, general chat tab, models, background agents, tools, and MCP. And Chrome detected, install MCP, yes. Install. Says it's loading tools. I'll pause. A few seconds later, I got the message here, 26 tools enabled. And that's how you install Chrome DevTools. Thank you for watching and happy computing.